Unleashing the Power of ChatGPT, 8 2-minute tutorial. Welcome to ChatGPT, the state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. With its advanced capabilities, ChatGPT can help you with a wide range of tasks, from generating text to answering questions. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use ChatGPT and all the ways it can benefit you. To use ChatGPT, you simply need to input a prompt or question, and the model will generate a response based on its training data. For example, if you want to generate a summary of an article, you can input the article and ask ChatGPT to summarize it for you. ChatGPT can also be used for text completion, where it will predict the next word or phrase based on the input provided. This can be useful for writing emails, reports, or even creative writing. Additionally, ChatGPT can answer questions based on its knowledge base. This can be useful for research, customer service, or any other situation where you need quick and accurate answers. ChatGPT is constantly being updated and improved, so its capabilities will only continue to grow. Whether you're a student, a business professional, or a creative writer, ChatGPT can help you save time and improve the quality of your work. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and we look forward to seeing how you use ChatGPT to enhance your workflow. Please, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications by clicking on the subscribe button and then clicking on the bell icon.